In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TSA PreCheck to your Delta account. If you're tired of taking off your shoes and unpacking your laptop at security, adding your known traveler number to Delta is a quick win. By the end, your TSA PreCheck eligibility will be saved to your profile so it can automatically apply to future trips as long as your details match TSA records. Start by opening the Fly Delta app on your phone. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and log in so the app can load your personal settings. Make sure you're using the account you actually book with, since the known traveler number is saved to a specific profile. From the home screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap Account. This is where Delta keeps your personal information, trip preferences, and security details related to your traveler profile. Next, tap Profile at the top of the account menu. The profile section is where your name, date of birth, and other secure flight details live. These fields must match exactly with what's on file with the TSA, so it's a good place to double-check spellings and your date of birth as you go. Find the Secure Flight Info section and tap Add. Secure Flight Info is the TSA required set of details that airlines use to verify your identity, including your full name, date of birth, and gender. You'll be adding your known traveler number alongside this information so your PreCheck benefits can be recognized. Now scroll until you see the field labeled Known Traveler Number, sometimes abbreviated as KTN. Carefully type in your code exactly as issued. This is the number you received when you were approved for TSA PreCheck or through a trusted traveler program like Global Entry, Nexus, or Sentry. Enter it without spaces and double-check every character. Even a single typo can prevent the PreCheck indicator from appearing on your boarding pass. When you're done, look for the Save or Done option and confirm your changes. A few quick tips to make this stick. Your name, date of birth, and gender in Delta must match your TSA records perfectly, including any middle name. Once saved, your KTN will usually attach to new reservations automatically. Some existing bookings may not update on their own, so keep an eye on your upcoming trips to make sure the PreCheck logo appears. And remember, TSA PreCheck is never guaranteed for every flight, but having your KTN saved gives you the best chance of breezing through security. That's it. You've added TSA PreCheck to your Delta account in just a few taps. Safe travels and enjoy the shorter lines.